800 plus credit score simply means you get more of what you got. So if you got an 800 plus credit score, but it's riddled with consumer accounts, mall store cards, and department store cards, that just means you're going to get the best rates and the best limits on more mall store cards. No one's, as I said, no one's going to give you a $100,000 business line of credit on your Home Depot reputation or your Victoria's. Sorry, ladies. Sorry, guys. Not your Home Depot or the Victoria's Secret reputation. So you've got to. So to go from good to great, you've got to make a fundable profile by raising limits on tier 1 accounts, getting rid of, don't go closing them. They're contributing to profile right now. This is my disclaimer. I'm not responsible. If I don't know if I'm giving a revolver to a 2-year-old, right? Don't pull the damn trigger, no matter how old you are, without adult supervision.